All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got the Kody Eutsler DUK right over here on the table with me for another dubbed review because, yeah, I lost the audio on this one. My microphone made me lose, like, I don't know how many videos. But anyways, stop with the complaining, and here we are. I'm just going to be commenting this video. Like, subscribe. This is what I'm probably saying at the moment on that video when I recorded. So anyways, there's not going to be any sound. You're not going to be hearing anything. This was a nicely sounding knife. Anyways, you have the Kody Eutsler DUK. It's a custom knife made in US. It's beautiful. This is the slotted version of this amazing frame lock. You can find also in 9-liner lock configuration, but that's the frame lock with the slots. It's titanium. It has, let's see if I measure. Yeah, look at that measurement coming in at 9 centimeters for the blade, 8.5 for the cutting edge. Handle is 11.5, maybe. I don't know. That was quick. Anyways, this is yeah, you see, large Sebenza 21, good job, and small Sebenza 21, just to show you how big this guy is. Not that big. I mean, it's between those two guys, so it's not bigger than a large Sebenza 21. So that's enough, right? Or what am I? Oh no, Mini Quantum from Shirogorov. That's a full custom, and this is a Stellar from also Shirogorov, just to show you, because these are two beautiful sized knives, and that is just right in that mix right over there. So fantastic size. We can consider this kind of like a full-size knife. Anyways, this is the slotted, look at the micro milling going on the scales with the slots. You can see through the blade, of course. Zirc pivot collars. You get a Zirc backspacer with lanyard hole, integrated Zirc pocket clip, and also thumb studs as well. So you have all tie and all zirconium accent, and it's the preferred configuration you want to have your knife with. I mean, it's just fantastic. My preferred one. So here probably I am showing you that there is internal chamfering. There's yeah, there is a slot with some chamfering on the inside. There is a pocket clip that is not reversible, hidden hardware. You got a nice milling going up right around the pocket clip. Pretty cool texture going on the zirconium accents for sure. You have a chamfering lanyard hole option for the spacer. What else? We get to see, you get the screws that are pretty much going to into the titanium slab on the lock side. So there's no Chicago screws, just, you know, to keep the handle together. So that probably would be my only nitpick on this one. But I mean, if you be careful during disassembly, you're not going to be in trouble. You're not going to have any issues because they just screw into titanium. So it's all right. Be careful. What else am I saying here? Because the design is really, really good. There's another thing that so this, you can see the lines are lined up from the pivot collar, lined up with the handle. On the other side, you might notice that the collar is not aligned anyways. Here, I'm probably complaining. I'm just telling that, yeah, the tip of the pocket clip is probably protruding into the window, and my OCD is just killing me. So I would have preferred to be a little bit shorter. So on the, you see, you don't see it basically poking through the frame, and it just leaves like a cleaner design. That's just my interpretation of this thing. But from this side, we cannot complain about anything because you have a fantastically done stainless steel lock face insert / over travel lock bar stabilizer. Also the pivot collar is acting as such, but here you have like a perfect example of how to hide an insert screwed in from the inside, not to ruin the design on the lock side. It is that's how you're supposed to do it. Pretty cool, smooth transitions in that spot over all gorgeous internal chamfering. No internal skeletonization. I mean, there's a couple slots, 3 slots per side, so there's not going to be much weight reduction from the material we're removing, but you have 4.45 ounces in the pocket, so not too shabby for a knife this size. You have a pretty cool blade for sure going on right there. No jimping, just smoothness for the jimping area where we're supposed to be. Phenomenal swedge going on, super symmetrical. You see the grind lines on the flats that are meeting perpendicularly, the ones present on the flat grind on the primary bevel. Little sharp finger choil, pretty good sharpening choil right there. Nice drop point blade is one of my preferred design. And here at this point, for sure here at this point, I'm saying that I love this part of the knife, how smooth it is, the contouring, that it's following the edges of the knife. It's just a great design. Thumb studs are in zirconium, very cool and comfy to deploy. Nothing wrong with that. You can do reverse flick and thumb. Oh, probably I scratched the table. Don't do that. Anyways, detent is perfectly dialed in. One of the nicest, crispiest on the market. Really, this was dialed in. And the action, this guy is on bearings. You can mount also skiff washers. And I remember distinctively that the action was crazy smooth with thick washer, so have fun. It's pretty straightforward process. Just remove the bearings and install the skiff washers. What else to say on this beautiful titanium frame lock? It's probably the best configuration. I mean, there's also like a liner lock if you want, but here I'm just showing you the drop shut action on this one, if you have it on bearings, of course. If you want a little bit slower and more controlled action, you can opt for washers, as I was saying. But anyways, you're gonna have a lot of fun playing with this guy because it's such a good one. One of my favorite blades ever. Here I actually am showing you that if you try hard enough, you can snag the tip, with your fingernails. But as you can see, I'm showing you it's pretty safe. You're not going to be poking yourself whatsoever. But if you just really try hard, you can do it. Anyways, don't worry about that because the action, the look, the sound, and the feel of this fella are top notch. They're just fantastic. So sorry, guys, that I cannot make you hear joyfully the sound, but yeah, you gotta believe me on this one. It was sounding pretty cool, and yeah, one of my favorite designs ever. So Kody Eutsler DUK slotted in the house. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned.